Welcome to day 2 of our Alaskan cruise. All right, this is what I have: fried egg, omelette, tomato.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Coffee, coffee, here we go again. Mama, how you gonna assist you? All you need is coffee to make you wakey, 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 mama. How you gonna let you go? Coffee, coffee.
Wow,
Yeah.
you guys are good.
No, one more. Boom, dalag, dalag. Hey, boom, dalag, dalag. Dalag, dalag. Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, wow.
And the coffee, YMCA. And the coffee, with the creamy, and the coffee, creamy. Hey, hey, hey! Oh my God.
So I have a roasted chicken. That's the glacier. Hubbard Glacier. Wow. It's majestic, man. And we got lucky because they said sometimes it's raining here. But it's still cloudy though. And as you can see, a lot of people, man, congregating in this area. But for a cruise ship, this is the closest we can go.
Hello, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your cruise director, Tani, and welcome to the magnificent Hubbard Glacier. Now, as Captain Johan and
No. When everybody was talking about the rain, I said we're going to have nice weather.
Wow. You can see everything here. All the way. Alright guys, can you guys see the seal? Right there in the iceberg. There, he's moving. He's moving. We have 3 seals over there. They're just laying down the iceberg and having a good day. So 1, 2, 3.
the Hubbard Glacier joining and celebrating great high islanders who close for action to address the causes of climate change. As you continue.
Some melting iceberg. We are almost going. So it's kind of like turning. We got lucky today, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this green mountain with snowcapped. Alright, we're kind of like in the dark area right now. Amazing, guys. Amazing. This is just amazing, man. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so now we are leaving Hubbard Glacier And what I can tell is it's amazing, man. Now, there's a lot of viewing spaces that it's, I think the best spot is on the sports deck. There's a sand deck. That's when you go up and you'll see better view of the glacier. And there's an always, NCL photographer that will take your picture. But for me, the best one is on the sand deck. Again, thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate you guys. And I'm grateful to be able to go here and witness this amazing, amazing place. Again, thank you for all the who subscribe. Appreciate you guys. I don't know where we're going tomorrow, but this is day 2, so we have five more days of this wonderful, magnificent area. Alaska. Look at that. There's glacier iceberg there. It's melting, baby. It's melting already. Anyway, as I said, the best viewing area is go to the sun deck. That's in 14th floor, deck 14. That's the best spot to take pictures. It's a small area. You know why we know it's good? Because there's a professional photographer that's in there. He has the zoom lens, man, and everything. If the professional photographer is there, then I bet that's the best area. Anyway, guys, that's it. And tonight we will go to Le Bistro. It's a special dining. Kind of like French cuisine, man. It's nice. They have the escargot. We are leaving Hubbard Glacier. As you can see, that's the glacier right there. Amazing, man. We got lucky today. On the weather channel, weather app, it says it's gonna rain. But I told my wife, we're gonna have a sunny day today. No rain at all. Woo! So right now it's only me. Only me. Yep, we're leaving. We are leaving behind all the glacier, iceberg. We saw some seals. Turbine. Bye bye love. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Bye bye love. It's good. All my bags are packed, ready to go. Ready to go to leave it stroll. We're eating escargot tonight. Oh, there you go. This is the shot I'm waiting for, you know. The trail end of the aft section or the stern, catching the glacier right there. Perfection. There you go. We got it, guys. A little bit turn to this side and we got a perfect shot. But this one is perfect enough, you know? You see all the glacier there, iceberg. I know, not glacier, icebergs, and the glacier right there. This is nice. Wow. I wonder when we will be able to go back here again. The last time I went here is almost 10 years ago. So would they say after 10 years again? I don't know, guys. Before I go back here, I want to go to Japan first. And then maybe Philippines again. Philippines was like 6 years ago. There. This is the shot that I've been waiting for. This is it. I finally found the shot that I've been waiting for. Right now it is. We got the shot we want. Wow. This is it. I found. Perfect. All right.